Our pancakes have always been one of your favorites, so if you haven't tried them yet, let's fix that right now. One of the trade secrets that make this recipe so special is making sure you separate the egg yolks from the whites. This allows us to whip them so they're super soft and fluffy, so let's put them aside for a moment. In the meantime, I'm going to beat the yolks. Then stir in the melted butter, the milk, and a pinch of salt. Next, I mix the baking powder with the flour and sift them together into my bowl. Stir it in, and then go back to the bowl containing the egg whites, which we're going to whip, adding sugar bit by bit. Next, we're going to gently fold our whipped egg whites into our batter. Now, if you don't have a lot of time to make your pancakes, this part can be skipped. You can put the eggs in the batter without separating them, and your pancakes will still be super tasty. They just won't be as thick and fluffy as you see them in our much-loved official version. Once we've carefully mixed in the egg whites, we can start cooking the batter, as it needs to be used immediately if you don't want to lose the fluffiness of the egg whites. Grease a non-stick pan with a thin layer of butter, and then place one ladle of butter in the pan at a time, forming little circles that will start to rise and bubble, eventually becoming our fantastic pancakes. Once we see the first bubbles appearing, this means that the pancake is ready to be flipped. I put the cooked pancakes on a tray and only stack them at the last moment before serving. This keeps them thick and soft. So now let's make ourselves a delicious tower, topped with some berries, and the final touch, a delicious drizzle of maple syrup. And finally, my favorite part, eating them.
Bon appétit!